What's up, everybody? So back quicker than expected. Today I just want to make a quick little video to basically help anybody out who has gone to the dealership and they were told that they needed to change their cabin air filter. Said that weird, but anyway, here's the parts number that you'll need to change it, and it's fairly simple. I got kind of aggravated because they wanted to charge me like $80 to change it whenever you can literally do it yourself. I watched somebody else's video, you may stumble upon mine, whatever the case. Just trying to help out and save somebody some money. I went ahead and refilmed this part, but yeah, you don't need to be a super mechanically inclined person or tech savvy person, whatever you want to call it, to do simple things like this. Half of the stuff that I've learned just by watching videos. So I just wanted to throw that in there for any of the people who are scared to get their hands dirty and do things sometimes. Like, sometimes it's better to try and fail and then get it fixed, depending on what it is, than to not try at all and never learn. So just keep that in mind. It's stupid simple. So we'll go ahead, stop talking, and I'll go ahead and show y'all what exactly we need to do. All right, so first things first, we're gonna want to go ahead and open this up. Having it pretty much as empty as possible would probably be the best bet. For this case, we don't need to. I'm gonna go ahead and back my seat up. So there's clips on each side here. So basically what you'll do is just push it, and you see the little rubber deal that's holding it into place. Basically pushing this to the side will knock it down lower. That way we can get to the actual area where the filter's at. So let me go ahead and do this, and then I'll pick the camera back up. All right, so mine came completely off. It's not a big deal. It snaps back in the same way that it came out. So right here is what you'll be looking for. You see these little tabs on the side right here of this top part. And also, before you pull this off, you'll want to keep track of where it says airflow. You want to make sure when you put this back on and it's pointing down. So again, you'll press on these little clips here, and it should release this thing. So let me get that done, and then we'll pull this nasty filter out and see why the Honda place told me I needed to change it. All right, so we got that off. As you can see, this is fairly dirty. So quick comparison. This has been in my car since I bought it, so I have about 50,000 miles on my car right now, so I guess it was definitely time. So let's go ahead and get this new one in. So this is not a direct Honda replacement part, but it should do the same thing. Again, keep in mind the airflow direction. So this thing should go back in exactly how it came out. All right, sorry I had to put the camera down to slide it back in, but you see this little shelf here, you'll want to slide it back in on that, and then it'll be fine. And then we'll go ahead and put this cover back on. Again, cover will snap right back on, airflow direction pointing down, and we'll go ahead and put this back in. So it'll be as simple as reconnecting it back here onto here and pushing the little tabs back into the inside. And there you have it. Super simple fix. Probably just saved you about $80 if you came to this video looking on how to do it. Again, guys, there's a lot of things that these dealerships will try to upcharge you for. Like, also with me bringing my car and them telling me I needed that, they told me I needed new windshield wipers, and they wanted to charge me like $120 or something. Let's say that's like the cost of installing them and getting the new ones. It's as simple as looking up the part number, going to Walmart and getting some windshield wipers, and however expensive of a windshield wiper you want, you get it. Same thing with these air filters. I paid $10 for this air filter in particular on Amazon. I'll leave a link to in the description. And yeah, I mean, that took me no less than 5 minutes. It took me a little bit longer because I was filming this, but again, I just wanted to help y'all save a little bit of money. I know it's not any crazy car mods like usual, but if you came here looking for help, I hope this video was helpful. And again, like I said, guys, don't be scared to do things on your own. All them crusties from living in the country. So definitely was time. Anyway, I'm sweating my butt off sitting in here. So again, hope it was helpful. I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Still more things to come, just got to slow down a little bit, looking to get a house and all that other stuff. So with that being said, thank y'all for watching again, and we'll see y'all in the next one.